Bitcoin went just as predicted from yesterday's video, and this has given us 4% of unleveraged profit. If you enter the trade with 10x leverage, this is an easy 40% profit just from this bullish divergence here. Yesterday I pointed out this bullish divergence when it was forming, and I said this is going to give us a little bit of relief for the short term from this bearish price action here. And you can see we have moved exactly 4.5% from this bullish divergence here. If you are new to the channel, my name is Trent. I share technical analysis and on-chain data about the crypto market, so you can as well smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, so that when I make videos like this, you will definitely be notified. Welcome to today's update. We are taking a look at the 1 month time frame of BTC, and currently you can see we are still holding firmly above this key level of support here that has been keeping us bullish for the long term. And also, if we take a look at the crypto fear and greed index, we are also at the extreme fear level. And the last time we saw this signal here was back in 2022 bear market, and this was when the bottom of the bear market was formed. So currently here now we are already forming the bottom of the bear market here. And also, if we take a look at this cost of production cloud here, which has been acting as a major key level of support in the previous bear market, you will also see we are holding firmly above it, and as well as the weekly RSI here, which is also below this oversold level. And the last time we also saw it, this was when we printed the bottom of Bitcoin. So currently what we are seeing here now is a capitulation and also a bottom formation on the BTC price chart. And if we take a look at the lower time frame here, this 2 hours time frame, yesterday we talked about this bullish divergence that was currently forming on the BTC price chart, and as you can see, it went just as we predicted here. And this signal was shared on our Telegram group, which has the link on the description of this video. This has given us 4% of unleveraged profit, and if you enter the trade with 10x leverage, you would have made 40% profit off this signal alone. If we shift our focus here to the Bitcoin ETF, which also acted as a major reason why we had this uptrend here from this bullish divergence, you can see yesterday 24th February 2026 we had a massive inflow into the Bitcoin ETF, and this is very nice. This is good for the long term, with BlackRock alone having $78 million and also Fidelity having $82 million that was deposited into their Bitcoin ETF, and which has brought a total of $257 million that was deposited into the Bitcoin ETF in general. And as long as we keep having inflow from the Bitcoin ETF, we are going to see the bottom of the crypto market real quick here on the larger time frame. And also, one of the reasons why I'm highly bullish here on the larger time frame is this exchange liquidation map here, which shows that we no longer have much liquidation price below the current price of BTC. All liquidation price are already piling up to much more higher prices on BTC. For example, if we take a look at the price here now, if BTC should hit 73k right now, we're going to see $2.11 billion of short trade liquidation. So this is why I'm highly bullish right now on the BTC price chart. What I'm currently waiting for is the confirmation of the bottom here, which is already printing, because if you take a look at the daily time frame here, you will see currently where I said I am currently waiting for the price to print a lower low here, while the RSI printing a higher low here. This is a massive bullish divergence that I am currently waiting for right now in order for me to confirm the bottom of the bear market. So you can see all on-chain data and the Bitcoin price chart are all screaming and printing the bottom formation of BTC right now. So there is no need to be bearish on the crypto market. But if you take a look at ETH here on the daily time frame, you can see we are still printing the same price action of BTC. Yesterday I indicated this price action here, saying I'm looking for the price to get a lower low here, while the RSI will get a higher low here, in order to confirm a bullish divergence that can take us from this massive bearish price action here. So currently we are still looking solid on the ETH price chart here. The only way this price action can be invalidated is when we break below this key level of support here, sitting at the $1,500 level and the $1,400 level. And also, if we saw the RSI break below this trend line here, this bullish divergence formation will now be invalidated. But overall, But in the overall market, I'm still highly bullish here on the crypto market. Now, if you take a look at ETH here on much more lower time frame, here on the 4-hour time frame, we came down here and we tested the key support of this range, which I talked also about on this video yesterday when I said I'm currently waiting for ETH to come and grab the liquidity that was sitting at this level here at the $1,822 level. But currently we are running into this little level of resistance here on the short term, sitting at $1,900. And if we are able to break above here, I'm expecting ETH to break above this bearish trend line here and touch the higher level of this range here that we have been in the past 2 weeks. And if we are able to break above here, I'm expecting ETH to go as high as $2,400 on the short term here. So that is that for the ETH price chart. Now, if you take a look at Solana price chart here, this bullish divergence from our yesterday video played out just as we predicted. This has given us a 7% profit without leverage, and this signal also was shared on the Telegram group that has the link on the description of this video. This is massive and this is great. This is good for the short term. But if you take a look at Solana here on the daily time frame, you will see currently we are still trying to hold strongly above this key level of support here, sitting at the $78 level and the $84 level. And if we can able to hold firmly here and break above here, or we are going to see much more higher prices like what I have been saying in the past few days. Another major resistance which we are going to face, since we are also holding above this level here, is this resistance of this range here, which we have been in the past few weeks, sitting at this level here, the $91 level. And if we are able to break above here, I am expecting and waiting for Solana to hit this larger resistance here, sitting at the $122 to $128. I've also been talking about this level in the past few days on this channel. Also, if we take a quick look here on the XRP price chart, no much has really changed here. We are still struggling to hold above this key level of support, which I have also been talking about on the channel, sitting at $1.31 to $1.41. And as long as we are holding above this level, this is a game changer for XRP, and we might begin to see higher prices. And also, taking a look at the RSI here, we are a little bit closer to the oversold level here, because the last time we pretend such price action, we see this was the exact area where the bottom of XRP was formed. So I'm currently waiting for the RSI here now. You see that we are forming the bear market bottom here, just like we are currently doing on the BTC price chart, or we are already at the bottom right here. So no much has really changed here, and then we'll move into the ADA price chart on the daily time frame. We are still in this massive descending channel here, which we have been talking about in the past few days. And also we are still holding firmly above this key level of support here, sitting at this current level 25 cents to 22 cents, and this is holding as a major key level of support, because if we take a look at our past price action, this is a multi-year key level of support. And if we break below here, we are going to see ADA at much more lower prices. So the key point now is to hold above this level and test this major resistance of this descending channel, had a break above it, and we will flip bullish for the long term here on the ADA price chart. So that is what I'm currently seeing here on the ADA price chart. Nothing has really changed in the past 24 hours. And with that being said, this has brought us to the end of today's video. If you find this video very useful and informative, make sure you subscribe to the channel, smash out the like button, so that when I make videos like this, you will definitely be notified.